On top of doing our own drawing and doing our own testing, we got a couple of 3D printers a couple of years ago, and they've been great, but we're going to move to actually being able to rapid prototype ourselves. So on top of 3D printing, we're going to get a small machine, so that way we can actually produce parts to prototype. What that will mean for our customers is we can just get our products out into the market quicker, because one of the motorcycle industry challenges is things change quickly and you need to be able to respond to the market quickly. We're going to keep on doing the best job we can with both shower and KYB parts, with Tractive and our other brands, and do the best job we can in supporting the dealer network. We need to do more work on training, on technical training for our dealers, because that's something that the market doesn't really have. We're going to continue to invest in testing equipment, and we're going to continue supporting the brands that we import. At a glance, people would think that we have competitors, but a lot of the time they're actually our customers. So we've worked pretty hard on not competing with our customers because we don't want to. We are quite unusual in that, say, our fork springs and our shock springs, we do all of the R&D on them here. We do all of the design work, and we have them made for us in Holland. So we're the only company that's bringing in our own line of springs. Other people import springs, but they're not their own brand. As far as our upgrade kits go, we're only really doing a fairly small range of kits. We'll probably expand that at some point, but we also don't want to compete with our customers at the same time. So some of our customers do make their own kits, and I don't have any desire to compete with our customers. I actually want to work with them. I don't want to work against them.
Our dealers and customers have pretty high expectations of the products and services we offer here, and that's why me and Nick and Holly work so hard and put so much effort and detail into it, to really be able to withstand the sort of conditions that we have here in Australia. Having said that, it means if it works here in Australia, it's probably going to work wherever else you might end up in the world.